Hi friends, welcome back. Now let's look at some applications of clamping circuit we have discussed in our previous session. This is a clamping circuit, and this circuit charges the capacitor whenever the input was having a negative cycle for the first time. So maybe in this period of the input, the diode is conducting, and hence the current is flowing, and because of which the capacitor charges. And when this reaches to peak, the capacitor charges to the peak voltage, and when the input is less than the peak, then the diode gets reverse biased, and hence diode doesn't allow the capacitor to discharge. Once in the quarter cycle, it allows the capacitor to charge, and after that forever, as long as the input doesn't go below minus Vm, there won't be any change in the capacitor voltage, neither charging nor discharging, and hence this is going to be at Vm. Now once this has charged to Vm, what happens is the minimum voltage is minus Vm, and that minus Vm gets added with Vm, and hence the output is going to be 0. It starts from 0 and then goes up to Vm plus Vm here, minus Vm2 plus Vm, that is a rise of 2 Vm. So it rises by 2 Vm and then comes down, then rises by 2 Vm, and so on. Therefore, the peak of this is at 2 Vm. Now, what do you think would happen if we connect a rectifier circuit to this? If we connect a rectifier circuit to this, what would happen is, as long as the input is rising, the capacitor gets charged because the diode is conducting, and this gets charged up to 2 Vm, and once it charges to 2 Vm and then it falls, the input is less than 2 Vm, therefore diode does not allow this capacitor to discharge. So what has happened is our input was sinusoidal with a peak of Vm, and this output we are going to get is 2 Vm. Instead, if we had directly rectified the circuit and filtered, then we would be getting output of Vm, whereas now we are going to get an output of 2 Vm. So that's say a simpler way of getting double the peak voltage. That's a simpler way of getting double the peak voltage. So most of the time we have some input available, and the DC we require is double the peak of input. Such cases, this circuit can be made use of, and now the overall circuit looks like a clamping circuit. I'm sorry, followed by a rectifier and a filter. So the input peak was Vm, and output DC is 2 Vm, and hence this circuit we can call voltage doubler. So this circuit is called a voltage doubler. So the advantage of such circuit is you don't need any transformer to change the voltage. Without transformer, just using a capacitor and diode circuit in this form, you can apply sinusoidal of input with a peak of Vm and get a DC output of 2 Vm. So that's one wonderful application of a clamping circuit. So many more such applications to follow in our coming sessions. So keep watching. Till then, take care. See you. Bye.